Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Inspire 3 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this Smartband with the Android phone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your Smartband, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the touch sensitive buttons on the sides of your Smartband, both of them. Press and hold both of them for a couple of seconds and the Smartband should turn on, or you can plug in the Smartband, plug it into a charger, and once you plug it into a charger it should turn on automatically. And after you turn on the Smartband, you probably see this animation on the screen. It means we need to download and install the FITBIT application on our phone to pair the devices together. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your phone. Once you do, open the Play Store. In the Play Store, tap on search and type in FITBIT. Then tap on the search button. You should see this application, FITBIT, with this icon. Tap on the install button to download and install the application. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open the application. In the app, you will need to log in into a FITBIT account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on join FITBIT to make a new one. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on login and tap right here, enter the email and password. So give me a couple of seconds. Okay. And then we can tap on login. And after you log in, you should see the today page of the app. Now tap on the profile icon right here in the top left corner to open the profile page, and on this page you should see the setup a device button. Tap on it. Scroll through the list of devices and find the Inspire 3 and tap on it. Tap on Setup. Tap on this warning message right here and allow the required permissions like this. Tap on Setup. Scroll down, tap on I accept. Tap on Next. Basically here it tells us to plug in the FITBIT, or rather the Smartband, into a charger. If you're not sure your battery is charged on your Smartband, plug it in. If you know it's charged, you don't need to, basically. So let's tap on Next. As you can see, the app wants us to allow the permission for the location, so you can tap on the warning message right here to basically fix the problem, or you can also scroll down and tap continue without the location to keep the location denied, or the location permissions denied. I'm just gonna tap right here and allow the permission, but like I said, you can leave it denied. You can also tap on background location permission, and basically what the app wants us to is to allow the location permission for all the time, even if the app is not being used. It's a bit weird, but you can also deny it if you want to. Then tap on Done. Okay, and now we need to enter the code from the band on our phone, like this. If you see this pop up right here, tap on Pair and Connect. I might have missed it, so yeah. Open the notification, tap on Pair Connect. And once you tap on Pair, you should see here, this message, allow. And right here we can purchase some protection plan if you want to. I don't want to, so I'm gonna tap on not now, but if you want to look into it, you can tap on purchase. And here we can see or learn more about the irregular rhythm notifications, if you want to learn about this stuff, tap on learn more. I'm just gonna tap on skip, and here we can see what functions the Inspire 3 has, and we can just keep tapping next to see what different functions it provides. And also it tells us how to attach the bands, or the straps rather, and how to change the bands, how to use the touch sensitive buttons, then how to use the menu, how to go back, and how to care for the device. And once you're done, you can tap on done button right here. You can purchase the premium membership if you want to. I'm just gonna tap on X right here to skip this. And now you should see the Inspire 3 on the account page or profile page. And if you tap on it, it will open the device page for your Inspire 3. Okay. Also, your band should be ready to use. So basically you should be able to use it. And that's how you pair this Smartband with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.